Darla from Crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So how are you doing? I hope you're well. I'm doing all right. You hurt my back a little, but I'll be okay. So I have a tutorial for this. So I'll link it up below. Up here. If it sticks, that's where it's going to be. All right. So I have a couple of pieces of Happy Mail, but first, tomorrow is November 15th, my birthday. So the birthday giveaway starts tomorrow, the 15th, runs till the 26th, which was my mom's birthday. She's been with the Lord in heaven 5.5 years now. Hard to believe, yeah. So there'll be a video every day. Why does this happen when I'm videotaping? Anyway, there'll be a video every day. You can enter on every single video. There'll be 3 winners after the 26th of November. So yeah. All right, Happy Mail. All right, so I have 2 pieces of Happy Mail. Look at the back of that. That's pretty. Beautiful washi tape. This is from our lovely Barbara. She lives in Florida on a boat. And I hope you're doing well. I know that awful hurricane was, well, it was, what was it? Nicole? There's so many of them that have been named this year that it's incredible. So you know they're bad when they're named. But anyway, so that's what I read online. So anyway, this is from the lovely Barbara. All right, so what is it? What is it? Oh my goodness, look at this. So presents, a couple of turtles, a beach scene, Christmas. Isn't that pretty? What a beautiful card. Thank you, Barbara. Got a shiny moon up there. Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you. And the card says, a special delivery of holiday cheer for a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And then Barbara wrote, prayers, love, and hugs, Barbara Leanhard. Thank you so much, Barbara. I love it. I love it. Thank you. So nice. Barbara doesn't have a channel, but she is a huge supporter of us yarny people. Yeah, we appreciate you so much, Barbara. Oh, I appreciate everyone so much. Okay, now I have one from Cindy the Crocheter A. She has a channel, so I'll link it below. It's in an envelope here. Barbara, this is my first Christmas card. And here in Winnipeg, we have snow and it's staying. We had a little bit of snow before that fell, but melted before it hit the ground. And then there was a little bit of snow that actually stayed on the lawn for 2 or 3 days, and then it melted. It was gone. But the other day we got a snowstorm. Now that snow has stayed. Yeah. So it feels like Christmas is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Cindy the Crocheter A little something from her, and it says on the back, P.S. Autumn blessed your card by laying on it. Autumn is her beautiful cat. I got to meet Autumn when I was helping Cindy pack to move. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oh. Okay, pull it out of the envelope here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Merry Christmas. All right, so this is my second card. They came at the same time. So these are my 2 first cards, Christmas cards. That's what I'll say. All right. So these were in my mailbox. I checked my mailbox on Saturday. So that's really nice. Oh, Santa is in the truck. Of course he is. Okay. Okay, so the card itself says, best wishes for a special Christmas and New Year filled with happiness. And it says, dear Darla, Max, that's hubby, and fur babies, Merry blessed Christmas. Hugs and love, Cindy and Autumn. Oh, that's so nice. And then she's got, okay, she's got happy birthday. Oh, that is so cute. Look, handcrafted. Happy birthday. Then there's a owl sitting on yarn. Oh, wow. It says, dear Darla, wishing you a very blessed birthday. May your day be filled with love from family and friends. Hugs and love, Cindy and Autumn. And then she's got a balloon. On the back it says Cathy. That's Cindy's sister. Made with TLC, and then there's a cat. Oopsies, don't want to show Cathy's last name. That is so nice. Aww. So it looks like the yarn is writing the words happy birthday. That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Cindy and Cathy. Thank you so much. I love my cards. And I love you guys. Thank you so, so much. All right, everyone, have a fantastic day. Watch for that giveaway starting tomorrow. I'm excited. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.